Yeah, hello friends. Uh, Here Ayush Gupta here. So we are discussing about the data structure algorithm. So in this playlist, I will discuss about the Google day in 30 days sheet of SG sheet commonly we use for data structure. So I am providing each day of one solution of one problem, so we understand data structure by easy manner. So day one, problem one, array. So the problem is short a array 0 1 and 2s. So without using extra space or any sorting algorithm, we need to short. This is the problem statement. So in Hindi we can say एक अरे है अपने पास 0 1 और 2, मतलब 0 0 1 2 1 2। अपने को ये करना है कि 0 1 और 2 उस शॉर्ट में मैनर में करना है। तो ये बेसिकली डच नेशनल फ्लैग है। ये थ्री पॉइंटर्स प्रॉब्लम है। एक्चुअली लो एक बाउंड्री फॉर जीरोस बना रहे हैं, मिड करंट एलिमेंट के लिए बनाया है, और हाई बाउंड्रीज ऑफ टू। मेनली अपन ने लो बाउंड्री ऑफ जीरोस बनाया है। Boundary for zeros in sense, I will show in algorithm what is really happening. So just rules what we are doing. अगर कोई एरे ऑफ मिड मिलेगा उसको जीरो से स्वैप कर दिया जाए, और लो प्लस प्लस और मिड प्लस प्लस हो जाए। और अगर मिड अरे ऑफ मिड हुआ, जो बीच वाला एलिमेंट अगर वन होगा, तो मिड को प्लस प्लस किया जाएगा। अगर array of mid is equals to 2 होगा, swap with high and high minus. So this is the time complexity will be on, and space complexity is o1. I will share another thing about this o1 and o, and time complexity on notation, what is the on notation, in the further video. But right now we are discussing the main 0 1 2 problem. So here I will provide a Java solution. What we are doing like we just make three pointers. What is low num 0 and high num length -1. Num is what our array is consist of. So here example you can say this was the example. What we are doing 2 0 0 2 1 1 0 0 1 1 without any sorting algorithm. We approach the problem. So how we approach the problem solution, like now what we have told in the rules, if array of mid is 0, so we run the while loop. Mid is always less than equals to high. It's already a true condition, like mid is always a less than or equal to high. If num mid is equals to 0 0, I already told, like we in the rules, three rules we have follow. If array of mid is equals to 0, swap with low plus plus and low mid plus plus. So in the temp variable, num of lows, what is low is 0, and what is mid, it's 0, and low become the first element, and then this temp value, like it will like swapping the values. I will show in the more detailed view in the whiteboard, but you understand like that what we are doing here. We are doing like 2 is, we are playing with 2. Is 2 is going to be a temp, and now this 2 become 2. Of first time it will become 2, and now the temp value is stored is 2, is 2. So all these three values are 2 right now. And now low plus plus and mid plus plus, matlab it's become 0 to 1, it's become 1. Else if num mid is equals to 1, else condition, if in temp is equals to num is equals to mid, then num is equals to mid is equals to high, and the high is equals to temp. and high minus minus. This is the basically we are just swapping the values. How we were just swapping the values with the each value, each variable. Like I will explain more detailed view of this picture. Like we can say that how we are doing the problem statement, how we are solving the problem with our intent is matter, how we are, because everyone know the chat gpt will solve the problem, but your intent to understand how we are solve the problem. So like array of mid is equals to 0. What the intent these Dutch people make, swap with low plus plus and mid plus plus. In array of mid is equals to 0 1. Only just change the second pointer to mid plus plus. And it a simple way we can say that 0 1 2. If array of mid 1 हुआ, then it will be like mid plus plus होगा. वो the way that he approached the problem, how they think about this problem, like now you understand the method how they are trying to approach. Let me figure out more detailed view in this way for today's. That's the solution for this problem. We will discuss more detail how we interview this pointers in place thinking. Always explain why mid is not incremented when swapping with y. Tomorrow we are discussing more. So that is